This Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera, or super lightweight, means radical performance. Let's grab it by the horn and see what it will do. So this is probably my favorite Lamborghini castings of all time from Hot Wheels due to its accurate scaling and proportions. Now this is from a Lamborghini 5-pack from 2020 in orange. It's pretty much stock. You can see from the headlights, the low hanging front splitter, the side apron, the fixed rear wing, and the Superleggera emblem on the side. On the rear, it is pretty much the same as the standard Gallardo, aside from the fixed wing. Underneath is a plastic base with 2 rivets. It also houses the side apron all the way to the rear diffuser, which is nice. Quad tip exhaust. I added taillights. Sitting on this J5 wheel, it's all plastic. Controls pretty well, it suits the car really good. Now looking onto the interior, it's pretty much dark in there due to the dark tinted windows. You can see the clear moldings. Beneath that is the 5.2 V10 with some textured plastic, which is nice. Kind of mimics the carbon fiber of the actual car. So it is a very solid piece from Hot Wheels. And you know, it's my favorite Lamborghini castings of all time. I just love the way this car looks. So there you have it, the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. Please check out my other videos. And that's the end of it.